Donc voilà l'animal de gauche, monsieur se nomme, enfin sera Ali au Socialiste Programme. Il a l'air très 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 imposant. Je peux vous le mettre en grand, ça sera mieux. Pop, 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 pop. Le voilà. Il va parler de sa version du programme de Bush, du moins en tout cas des premiers jours. Et sa version, c'est en fait Trump veut mettre à la porte des millions, des millions d'employés fédéraux qui donc ne seront plus payés par l'État, allégeront les déficits, iront se trouver du travail dans le secteur privé à des tarifs avec des salaires minables. Et donc c'est une catastrophe pour le monsieur de gauche.
Drives down the wages of private employees, which the employer class cheers on. This is a twofer. You get less in your taxes because you've laid off the public workers, and you drive down the wages of private employees. For the private employer, too. That's why they voted for Mr. Trump. That's what they want from Mr. Trump. And that's what they're getting from Mr. Trump. That's all this is. The rest, if you pardon my Spanish, is bull. And you know what part of the bull I'm referring to. It's meant to cover it over, to make it.
Donc, du coup, on a compris, il n'est pas content, les gens perdent leur travail. Tout ça, c'est un programme de milliardaires. Et donc, on va entendre les milliardaires en question. Alors, les milliardaires, où sont-ils? Ils sont là. Toc. Les voilà.
Facilitating trust. So not somebody saying they're trustworthy, but transparency, so you can see everything that's going on. And then you can see, am I doing something that benefits one of my companies or not? It's totally obvious.
And we thought that we would not let him do that segment or look in that area if we thought there was a lack of transparency or a conflict of interest. And we watched that also. He's a big businessman. He's a successful guy. That's why we want him doing this. We don't want an unsuccessful guy doing this. Now, one thing also that Elon hasn't really mentioned are the groups of people that are getting some of these payments. They're ridiculous. And we're talking about billions of dollars that we've already found. We found fraud and abuse. I would say those two words as opposed to the third word that I usually use, but in this case, fraud and abuse. It's abusive because most of these things are virtually made up, or certainly money shouldn't be sent to them. And you know what I'm talking about. It's crazy. So, but we're talking about tens of billions of dollars.
And this mine looks like something out of the 50s because it was started in 1955. So it looks like it's like a time warp. And then the speed, the limiting factor is the speed at which the mine shaft elevator can move determines how many people can retire from the federal government. And the elevator breaks down sometimes, and then nobody can retire.
And federal contracts, when it comes to the Pentagon, for instance, which the president
out there. So it's not like I think I can get away with something. I'll be scrutinized nonstop. But with the support of the president, we can cut the budget deficit in half from $2 trillion to $1 trillion, and then with deregulation, because there's a lot of sort of regulations that don't ultimately serve the public good. We need to free the builders of America to build, and if we do that, that means I think we can get the economic growth to be maybe 3-4%, maybe 5%. And that means if you can get $1 trillion of economic growth and you cut the budget deficit by $1 trillion.
X, are you okay? This is X, and he's a great guy, high IQ. He's a high IQ individual.
And he's got this, check out this cool chain he's got.
So thank you very much. We had a busy day today. The king just left, and we've had a great discussion, terrific discussion concerning Gaza and everything else.
Donc, pour simplifier, voilà, c'est Doge, en fait, c'est le lancement de Doge, hein, et ils vont fouiller dans la comptabilité de l'État fédéral et découvrir des gens qui ont 150 ans, qui sont remboursés pour on ne sait pas trop quoi, des gens qui s'enrichissent à hauteur de 30 millions. Donc en fait, il est moins question de mettre des gens à la porte que simplement regarder un peu ce qui se passe, pourquoi les déficits sont de l'ordre de 2 trillions par an, ce qui porte à ça à 8 trillions par mandat. Dernier déficit en date de Biden, après celui de Trump qui avait été de 5 trillions pendant la période du Covid. Donc on voit que monsieur gauchiste, en fait, il parle pas du sujet, quoi. C'est dingue, c'est son histoire, là. Je vais vous la remettre au début, là, parce que franchement, le voilà. Le voilà, tac, on prend au début, alors, il faut le trouver, il est là, et il nous dit...
What you're watching with Trump and Elon is pure ideology. And for all the talk about how Trump and Elon Musk, you know, are breaking the mold and breaking the rules and taking the Republican Party in a new direction, you know, the truth is the Republican Party has always hated taxes. That's how they built the Republican Party. It's a coalition between the business community, which doesn't want to pay taxes, and a whole lot of special constituencies which are brought together in the Republican Party with a deal. We'll give you the special thing you're interested in if you make sure to keep the taxes on business low. So
Donc lui, sa théorie, c'est que, en fait, c'est toujours l'uniparti, mais l'uniparti biparti. C'est-à-dire, en fait, il n'y a pas d'uniparti et les républicains sont caractérisés par ce qu'il vient d'expliquer, c'est-à-dire qu'ils détestent les taxes. Voilà, donc il déteste les taxes, mais le problème dont il parle pas, c'est qu'en fait il y a un énorme déficit chronique et que évidemment même, surtout si on diminue les taxes, ça va ne faire qu'empirer le déficit. Donc en fait Doge s'attaque bien à un autre problème que ce qu'il dénonce, qui est la manière traditionnelle, dit-il, de fonctionner des républicains. Donc totalement faux. D'ailleurs, il suffit de regarder son visage. Hein, je vous le mets là. Son visage, c'est dingue. C'est complètement fou, quoi.
So the Republicans pander to white supremacists, and the Republicans pander to gun enthusiasts, and the Republicans pander to the anti-abortion fight. These are their constituencies who come together in the Republican Party, and the deal is you support anti-taxes, and we will help you with the guns and the fundamentalist Christianity and all the rest of it. Okay, we all know that. Okay, what Trump and Musk are doing is cutting taxes. How are they doing it? By laying off millions of public employees who, if you don't have to pay them, well, then you don't have to raise the taxes. They're all worried sick about one thing. No one should make a mistake. When Mr. Trump was president the first time, the one major economic act of his first presidency was the tax cuts of December 2017. One of the greatest tax cuts in American history, focused mainly on cutting corporate taxes and taxes of the rich. That act included that all of this would come to an end. Remember, it was back in 2017, in 2025, this year. So Mr. Trump's real agenda, he hasn't discussed it much because he's got to kind of manage it. His real agenda is to extend those tax cuts, to rewrite that bill to make it last another
mais
8, 10, 12, however many years he can get. The problem is our government is
Oui,
already
mais
spending
la
way more money
présentation.
than it raises in taxes,
Il est où, lui?
partly because of that tax cut in 2017.
Présentation.
So he's
We
got the
had,
problem, how can I extend the
discussion.
tax cut and then face the American people with trillions of dollars in government debt, which I
Ah,
promised to deal with.
donc. Mais c'est ça l'histoire, c'est que sa présentation là,
Questions
Trump,
also about Saturday at 12 o'clock. It's going to be a big moment. We'll see what happens. I don't expect much happening with these people, but we'll see what happens. And we're going to be signing a very important deal today. It's Doge, and I'm going to ask Elon to tell you a little bit about it and some of the things that we found, which are shocking. Billions and billions of dollars in waste, fraud, and abuse. And I think it's very important. And that's one of the reasons I got elected. I say we're going to do
c'est
that.
Doge.
Nobody had any idea it was that
C'est
bad, that
pas,
sick,
il
and
parle pas
that
des
corrupt.
taxes, là, il parle de
And it
Doge.
seems hard to believe that judges want to try and stop us from looking for corruption, especially when we found
Et des
hundreds
juges
of
qui
millions
veulent
of dollars
arrêter.
worth, much more than that, in just a short period of time. We want to weed out the corruption, and it seems hard to believe that a judge could say, we don't want you to do that. Well, so maybe we have to look at the judges, because that's a very serious, I think it's a very serious violation.
Voilà. Je crois que l'entourloupe, elle est claire. Hein. Le mec de gauche, là, il veut pas parler de Doge. Il veut pas parler de la corruption systématique de l'uniparti aux États-Unis. Il veut faire croire que c'est à l'ancienne, quoi. Et à mon avis, il n'a pas compris ce qui est en train de se passer.